Of this video. This joint smell like, whew, smell fresh. Air Jordan 1 retro. What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. Yeah, but man, I gotta shout out all the new subs, man. We just crossed 650 and climbing, so shout out to the new subs, man. Y'all are the reason that I keep going, man. It's just really inspiring to see people sub to the channel. Check out the YouTube shorts. Check out all the videos, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I got another unboxing for you today. A legit unboxing, a package that's been delivered for a few days now, man, but I'm bringing it to the channel. Probably one of the more hype releases, I think, recently over the last couple of weeks. So I was able to get on sneakers and get into the raffle, and I was able to hit on the raffle. Now for me, it seemed a little bit suspect because I have been taking a lot of L's on sneakers lately, with the exception being anything that I enter for my wife. But I was able to hit on these right here. Man, I can't even wait no longer, man. Let's go. Got the box right here, as you can see, man, plain box. And to be honest, sneakers sending me a plain box like this was a little bit surprising, I guess, because I'm used to getting the joint with the little pull tab on it. And so this box is a little bit different. I hope it's what I'm expecting. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. So, all right, man. Boom. We got a Jordan 1 box, man. A Jordan 1 box. And let's be clear, bro. I'm not gonna waste no time with this video. This joint smell like, whew, smell fresh. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. The color reads white, black, and varsity red, man. And you can see, that's a size 12, man. That's your boy personal. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be honest. So this is my first ever. Y'all witnessing history right now, man. I done had a ton of dunks, ton of Jordans, SBs, I mean, you name it, but this is my very first pair of Jordan 1 lows, just because I'm gonna be real, bruh. I ain't never really rocked with the Jordan 1 lows. It ain't really been something on my radar. And again, like I say, the beautiful thing about this channel is we talk about you like what you like, I like what I like. And so me jumping into a Jordan 1 and bringing a Jordan 1 low to the channel, it's unprecedented for me. It's very new, and I'm glad you guys get to experience this with me. But man, enough of me talking about the Jordan 1 lows, man. Let's take a look at it. I don't know what they put in the box. Whew. It's like that new shoe smell times 10, bro. New shoe smell times 10. And here you go, man. Jordan 1 low. Black toe is what the streets are calling this, man. And I'm gonna be real, man. Initially, just out the gate, looking at it, you can see that premium leather right here on the toe box. You can see it, bro. That is premium leather. They did their thing with their leather. The leather always stands out for me right away when I look at the shoe. That's premium right there. That's premium, bro. Including the swoosh on the side. You got the all black swoosh. This white leather right here. Really, really high quality leather. And then on the back, it's almost like a matte finish right here. You got the Jordan 1 wing right there. Turning around a little bit more. Again, black swoosh. Pretty good leather on that. But you just see that really high grade, super high grade leather right there. Flip it all the way around. You got the red laces in that joker. A lot of people been beefing with the red laces, man. But honestly, man, I don't think they look that bad. All right, man, take a look. Boom. You see it, man. Hope it's in focus right there. Try to bring it a little bit close to the camera. Per request of my wife, who said, you need to bring it a little bit closer to the camera. I got y'all right here, man. Hey, I think it's a pretty clean shoe, bro. I think it's a pretty clean shoe. The bottom of the shoe, I didn't show that on the last frame, but the bottom, as you can see, it's an all red sole. Pretty clean, man. I like the fact that All red sole doesn't get, dirty. It's not like a white sole. It should be fairly easy to clean. And I think it complements the shoe well, having that red sole. And finally, man, we got a white midsole. I feel like every shoe I've brought to the channel lately has had a sail midsole. But here you go, man. Just overall, initial reaction to this shoe is I like it, man. For a Jordan 1 low, bro, like I feel like it is not that bad. I mean, I frowned upon the Jordan 1 low for a long time. I just looked at it as a shoe I probably would never wear. It kind of reminds me of a shoe that you kind of got to settle for when you can't get the Jordan 1s and you can't get the Dunks. But for me, this shoe is fire. I really understand why a lot of people said that this was a hype release. It was like a lot of people's cop of the month. For those of you that didn't cop nothing in July, a lot of people was like, I ain't get nothing until the black toes come out. I get it now. Boom. So we got both shoes in hand right here, man. And I'm gonna tell you, man, no discrepancies between the two shoes here. I don't see any glue stains. Even though when I opened this box, bruh, it was a strong odor. Like, I don't know if it was like, it was kind of giving off nail polish type smell, nail polish remover, but these came directly from Nike. And so I'm thinking that, I don't know, maybe it's just that fresh factory smell. You got a second pair of laces in here, alternate pair of laces. You got the black laces in here. Boom. I tell you what, a lot of people are saying the black give it that real OG look. So most likely I'll put the black laces in this shoe over the red, but I don't think there's nothing wrong with the red laces. So I've heard some people say the red laces make it look cheap. The red laces are trash, like whatever. I see a lot of people doing lace swaps with like sail off white laces. Ironically, people say they're tired of sail, but they keep finding a way to put it in there. But as you can see, you got the black tongue, you got a black Nike logo tag right here on the top of the tongue with the red Nike Air lettering right there. I think that's pretty clean as well. How would I style this shoe? Let's get into that next. Live directly with the Mud Talk family, man. Shout out to y'all for being here with me. Let me know if you have a pair of Jordan 1 lows in your collection, if you're a fan of the Jordan 1 lows. But when I think about styling a Jordan 1 low, let me go ahead and I'm gonna put these shoes down. I keep one of them up. But I automatically get into the mindset of how I style a pair of Dunks or a pair of SBs, because I don't have a lot of low top shoes in my collection that aren't Dunks or SBs. I do have some low top basketball shoes, some LeBrons, things of that nature. But when it comes to a low top Air Jordan 1, I would personally, this shoe to me would automatically look dope with some shorts. I just think shorts is really, really gonna bring this shoe out. A good oversized tee, a vintage tee, something of that nature. Keep it simple, because it's still crucial hot outside, man. And I use that word crucial. I don't know if y'all use it, but it's crucial hot, meaning it's super hot outside, 92 degrees or up. Like, that's hot for me in North Carolina. I know I got some people out in Texas that's saying it's been 111, 110 in Vegas. Like, listen, I promise, shout out to y'all, man. God bless y'all for being able to live in that heat. But 92 degrees in the South, it feels like 100 degrees to me. So definitely some shorts, an oversized graphic tee, but you really could dress this shoe up as well because it's a very clean OG. You know what I'm saying? So I honestly, man, if you're going on a date night or something like that, you could dress this shoe up, man, with some white linen pants, throw these on with your nice little button-up shirt, get your grown man on, you know what I'm saying? Or your grown woman on, whatever you want to do. But yeah, the Jordan 1 low black toe has a lot of versatility when it comes to styling. So you can do a lot with that. And on top of that, you got a black sock liner with that. So you got to worry about it getting dirty. All right, man, so let's get into the pricing of the shoe. Again, this shoe dropped on the sneakers app recently, about a week ago. If you're watching this video, it might be 2 weeks ago. Who knows when you're watching the video? But it's been about a week or so since the shoe has been released. I paid retail price, which was $140, $150 almost plus tax. So, not an expensive shoe. And it was super easy to get. On the resale market, I really haven't checked to see if there's any movement on the resale market. I heard there was about 400,000 pairs released. So there is quite a bit of pairs out there and available. One of my homies, he actually just walked in the mall and was able to pick up a pair in a size 12 in a store. So I'm thinking that this shoe is still available right now. Again, it's the economy, in my opinion. A lot of people aren't copping shoes. A lot of people aren't. I'm super excited for them. But if you got the money right now and you can spare $150 on a pair of sneakers, I would say go and pick up the Jordan 1 low black toe right now and throw the black laces in with them joints for $150, you can't beat the quality of this sneaker. Man, thank you for watching this video, man. But before I get you out of here, I just want to say, listen, my streetwear brand, my luxury streetwear brand, Raw Melon Apparel, is releasing in stores for the first time, and it's an epic moment for your boy, man. I'm talking about, like, you know, I reached out to my family, man, and just let them know I appreciate everybody who's been supporting me since my original pre-sale order 2 years ago. It was a big deal. That's how I launched my brand. And to now know that I'm gonna be released in the store, it's just a really, really big moment for me, man. So if you're in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, August 19th from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. at 301 Camp Road over in the, just kind of like, it's like a really artsy area. They call it Camp North End. There's breweries over there. There's restaurants. There's all type of shops. Over there at McFly Fresh, man, is where I will be posted up with my brand. It'll be on the rack in the store. Not only that day, but just moving forward, that's where you'll be able to just pop up and purchase Raw Melon Apparel in the store, man. But if you can't make it, go on the website, man, at rawmelonclothing.com. The link will be in the description. Things are moving fast. I'm gonna be honest. One of the 3 shirts that are being released in the store has already sold out on the website within like 48 hours of me dropping it. So I'm super, super excited. If you can't get to the shop, go to the website, man, and show love, man. But like I always say, man, y'all know love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.